How did F1 hybrid systems change engine sound? Have you ever wondered how the roar of Formula One cars transformed over the years? The shift to hybrid systems in Formula One began in 2014, introducing turbocharged 1.6-liter V6 power units. This change significantly altered the engine sound compared to the previous naturally aspirated V8 engines. Let's break down how these hybrid systems impacted what we hear on the racetrack. Firstly, the new V6 turbo engines operate at lower maximum revolutions per minute, around 15,000 revolutions per minute. In contrast, the high-revving V8 engines could exceed 18,000 revolutions per minute. This reduction in engine speed results in a sound that is less sharp and less high-pitched, making it quieter and less aggressive than before. Next, we have the turbocharger, which compresses the intake air. This process changes the exhaust sound by muffling certain frequencies. The motor generator unit heat, or MGUH, is connected to the turbo and manages its speed electrically. This reduces turbo lag but also affects the exhaust noise. At low revolutions per minute, the MGUH can spin the turbo electrically, creating a smoother sound. However, this can also lead to unusual noises when the wastegates open under specific conditions. The hybrid energy recovery systems play a role too. The motor generator unit kinetic, or MGUK, recovers energy during braking and can deploy electric power to assist the engine. This electric boost alters the pure combustion engine sound, especially during acceleration. Additionally, the hybrid systems and turbochargers create a more complex sound profile. While there are multiple layers to the sound, it generally has less raw volume and fewer high-frequency components. As a result, many fans perceive modern Formula One cars as quieter and less thrilling compared to the naturally aspirated engines of the past. One interesting aspect is the wastegate sounds. When the turbo wastegates open, they produce distinctive hissing or whooshing sounds. This adds new auditory elements that were not present in earlier engine designs. Looking ahead, changes planned for the year 2026 aim to increase engine noise again. This will involve removing the MGUH and modifying the hybrid system. These adjustments should result in louder and potentially more appealing exhaust sounds, despite a reduction in internal combustion engine power output. In summary, Formula One hybrid systems have transformed engine sound by lowering rev limits, adding turbochargers with electrically controlled components, and integrating hybrid electric units. This has created a more complex but generally quieter and less high-pitched engine sound than what fans experienced in earlier eras.